Hello everyone, this is Emily, and this is our welding ship. As you can see, many workers are operating machines to weld different parts. Let's take a closer look. The first problem: what does the weld effect depend on? Generally, the effects of welding depends on time, voltage, and current control. And we adjust the time, voltage, and current according to the thickness of the plate. The voltage and current of a steel plate sink is a little higher. The second problem: what should we pay attention to during operation? In the product surface welding operation, voltage, current, and time control need to be more accurate, so that the overall cabinet will be more beautiful. If the welding operation is in the product or hidden place, the voltage and current can be adjusted a little more. This will be more solid.